Hi guys, this is Akhil from Wrapzilla back with another video. A couple of days ago, we got an Audi A8L in for a cosmetic upgrade and some interior and exterior upgrades. We have suggested the customer for an auto grey wrap. Along with it, we have bundled with a chrome delete and alloys black, gloss black, and calipers neon green. And we have also given it an interior deep clean and carpet cleaning. On the interiors, some of the electricals weren't working, and we have fixed them for to be started with the multimedia system on the center console wasn't working properly, and we have fixed it. And in the rear passenger seat, the refrigerator wasn't working, and key ashtray on the right side passenger side. And along with it, the foot massage, not the foot massage, but the rear seat massage, massager was also not working, and we got the electricals also fixed.